सही है।
हाँ चलिए अब बोलिए।
The object of this experiment is to test the compressive strength of traditional brakes, whose dimensions they are of the order of 230 mm by 110 mm by 70 mm. These brakes will be checked in compression in this compression testing machine you are seeing. Brakes having frogs will be filled by cement sand in a ratio of 1:3, and they will be cured for 3 days and will be tested in this machine. After 3 days, frog will remain upside. Below the brake we shall put a ply of 3 mm thickness, and above this also we shall put a ply of 3 mm, and then we shall apply compressive force. We shall see the machine stops at what compressive force. This force will be the compression force taken by the brake. This force divided by the area of the brake. Area, length multiplied by the width of the brake. Length is approximately 230 mm and the width is 110 mm. So approximately 230 by 110 mm is the area of the brake, and load is being taken from the machine. This will give you the compressive strength of the brake, and in this way you will test at least 3 samples. You must check 5 samples, but here we are checking only 3 samples. And in another experiment, with the same experiment, we shall check the concrete pavers also. Dimensions of these pavers will be given. They are of different section. They are having width and length. Length dimension is of the order of 220 mm, and it is having 2 trapeziums and 1 rectangular section. So dimensions will be given to you people. In this there is no frog. We shall put this paver block in the machine. Below this we will put one ply board of 3 mm thickness. In the same way at the up side also we shall put one ply board, and again we shall see what is the reading of this machine at the failure, and then we shall find out the compressive load divided by the area of the paver. Area you will find, we shall give you the dimensions of the block, and by that you will find out what is the compressive strength. Because this is a concrete paver block, so its strength will be comparatively higher than the brick. So for brick, if we are getting 150 Newton per millimeter square, for this paver we may get 20 Newton per millimeter square or more, depending upon what is the grade of paver concrete. So this will give you an idea about the compression testing of bricks and the paver blocks. बस
this is the brick.
हाँ आप बोलती जाइए, बताती जाइए.
Now this is the brick. We take the dimension of this brick.
We have already
This is
taken
the length of the bricks. This is the width of the bricks, and this is the height. Width is 21.5 centimeter. Width is 10 centimeter, and height is 7 centimeter. Now we fill the frog this 1:3 ratio and put this bricks under the plywood of 6 mm, 3 mm, and put this bricks under this compression testing machine. This is called compression testing machine. This is the fixed end jaws. This jaws is fixed end, and this is moving. Load is applied through hydraulic pressure is coming from this machine. These jaws will go up. The compression will take place on this bricks, and we apply a load, constant load. With the help of this compression testing machine, we apply the load on these brakes. The rate of loading is 140 kg per centimeter square for a minute. Now load is starting.
एक ब्रेक, बस एक ब्रेक कर देना, ज़्यादा नहीं. रीडिंग दिखा बस चल रही है मशीन.
We measure the load here. This load will come in tons. This is 10 ton, 20 ton, 30 ton, 40 ton, 50 ton and up to 100 ton. We apply the load up to ultimate. This load divided by area of this brake is the compressive strength. Now the brake is taking the load. Load is starting. See. Now this load is going up. This is the compression. This is the fixed end and this is moving end. The load is going up. Compression is taking place on these brakes. Now 10 ton load has come. This is 11 ton, 12 ton, 13 ton, 14 ton, now 15 ton and so on.